Good afternoon, my dear students. We Loken Yadav from Siddharth School Sadan. Today, I am teaching about law of indices. Mathematics first law of indices. First law is product law. Product law is base are same. Suppose 5a square. You know that 5 means coefficient, a means base, and 2 is half. Similarly, if a square multiplied by a, both base are same, both base are same, then power is added. There is nothing, power means one power. A 2 plus 1 it means a 2. Product laws, example other. Suppose 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by, there also base is same, 2 2 2 2, all base is same, then power is added. Power nothing means one power, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 to the power 2. Same other law, quotient law. Quotient law. Quotient law, if base are same, then power is subtracted. Suppose 2 multiply by 2, or 2 to the power 4 divided by 2. In which form? Divide form. Quotient form. Both base are same. If base are same, then power is subtracted. 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 2. Other example, suppose a to the power m divided a to the power n, then a to the power m minus n, m minus n. Other example, suppose 4 to the power q into 8 to the power square. There is base is no same, then 2 to the power 2 square to the power q, 2 to the power q to the power square. यहाँ बेस सेम से ना बचे, यहाँ मुझे पहला बेस लाइन मिलाऊंगा 2. पावर लॉ, पावर इज मल्टीप्लाई, 3 2 जा 6, very good percent for divided 2 to the power also 3 2 जा 6, 2 to the power 6 minus 6 to the power 0, it means 1. Your power law is telling, power law, anything power 0, suppose x to the power 0 is equals to 1, so value is 1. Everything, any power, any variable power is 0. Suppose a to the power 0, value is 1. So therefore 2 to the power 0 is equals to 1. Suppose 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. Power law, power is multiplied. 2 to the power 2 into 3, 2 to the power 6. So in this term, power is multiplied. 2 3 are 6, 3 2 are 6. And question for power is subtracted. 6 minus 6 to the power 0. Anything power 0 is equals to 1. So, now exercise for 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 4. In this type of exercise in your book, all power is same, 2 2 2. Then power is added, 2 to the power 2 plus 1 plus 4, 2 to the power 4 1 5 1 6. Quotient law from This type of question in your exercise book, suppose 2 to the power 4 divided 2 to the power 2. Then 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power. In this type of question, evaluate. Evaluate means simplify, find the value. Suppose 9. 9 you can write there 3 to the power square. 3 3 is 9. Then 3 by 2. The power law. Power is multiplied. 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 to cut. So 3 to the power 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 is 27. Similarly, 16. Root under 4. 16. Then you can write there fourth root and 16 to the power 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 16. 1 by 16 to the power 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 2 to the power 4 and 1 to the power also 4. So 1 by 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. So 2 to 1 by 2 to the power 1. So answer. And 2 to the power minus 1 also you can write. In this type of question, x power is always multiplied. X to the power a multiply b minus c. X b c minus a multiply x c a minus b. X a into b ab minus a into c ac. X b into c bc minus b into a ab. X a into c ac minus b into c this b into c. Now base are same, x, then power are added. X to the power ab minus ac plus bc minus ab plus ac minus bc plus ab minus ab minus ac plus bc minus bc. X to the power 0 is equals to 1. We can do this type of problem. X to the power 1 is equals to 0 is equals to. Next, simplify. Also we can do a to the power x plus y into x minus y. Power is multiplied. So x plus y and x minus y. Again, a power is multiplied. Y plus z, y minus z. Multiply a z minus x, z plus x. Okay. You know that a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We can derive also this formula. A plus b, a minus b. Multiply here a minus b or plus b, a minus b. A square minus ab plus ab minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Similarly, x plus y, x minus y. It means x square minus y square. Y plus z, y minus z means a y square minus z square. Z minus x, z plus x. E to the power z square minus x square. Now these are same a. Then power is added. A to the power x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. X square, y square, z square, z square. So a to the power 0 is equals to 1. A to the power 0 is equals to 1. In this type of problem, a to the power x, a to the power y, whole power x plus y, a to the power y, a to the power z, whole power y plus z, a to the power z, a to the power x, whole power z plus x. Simplify. Look here. A, both base are same, then power is subtracted. Quotient law, if base are same, then power is subtracted. X minus y, whole power is x plus y. Similarly, a to the power y minus z, base are same, then power is subtracted. Y minus z to the power y plus z. Z minus x, same. Similarly, a base are same, then power is subtracted. Z plus x. Now apply this law, power law. Power is always multiplied. A x minus y multiplied by x plus y. A y minus z multiplied by y plus z. Multiply by a z minus x, z plus x. Again multiply x minus y, x plus y, means a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, x square minus y square, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. Again, a minus b, a plus b, z square minus x square. Now, product law, base are same, then power is added. A to the power x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. X square, x square, y square, z square, plus minus. Different sign are subtracted, so x square cancel. Y square, and z square. Power nothing, so power is 0. Then a to the power 0, know that value is how much? 1. Now a to the power y multiplied by 1 by yz. By a to the power z multiplied by 1 by yz. A to the power z multiplied by 1 by zx. A to the power x multiplied by 1 by zx. A to the power x into 1 by xy by a to the power y into 1 by xy. Now y 1 by z by z cancel and 1 by y. A to the power z cancel 1 by x. A to the power x then 1 by z into a to the power x means 1 by y by a to the power y means 1 by x. Now base are same, then power is added 1 by z plus 1 by x plus 1 by y by a 1 by y plus 1 by z plus 1 by x. Now use for quotient form. Then power is subtracted a 1 by z plus 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus subtracted 1 by y plus 1 by z plus 1 by x. A 1 by z plus 1 by x plus 1 by y minus 1 by y minus plus minus 1 by z minus 1 by x. 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by z, 1 by z, 1 by y, 1 by y. Cancel. A to the power 0 is equals to how much? 1. Today is only for this much. Next day, next topic I will start. So, wait.